Hello and welcome to Rebecca channel. This week I want to talk about the 6 elements of good artwork. These are: number 1, composition; 2, value; 3, color; 4, texture; 5, experimentation; and 6, emotions. The point here is for us to learn the rules before we can break them. When you break the norm, it has to be with a purpose. Otherwise, it will appear as a mistake. I think I heard this phrase from the paint codes, not sure, but it's the best way I heard on how to express this statement. In painting, there are no rules, but there are consequences. So now, let's go and analyze each of the 6 elements. Number 6, emotion. While this is the last one on the list, this is like the God in art. It is meant to be everywhere and to be everything. No emotion, no point. We may have a great composition, great value, color, texture, whatever you want, but if there is no emotion behind it, our artwork may sell well for a while, but it will not last the test of time. Eventually, it will show as a great technical exercise, and that is all. Let me talk to you here about emotions and feelings, because these are actually 2 different things. Emotions originate as a sensation in the body. Feelings are influenced by emotions, but are generated from our mental thoughts. Emotions are the raw reaction to the present reality, while feelings are influenced by the stories we have created in our head, our past experiences, and our fears of the future, not just by the simple truth in front of us. Another difference between the 2? Feelings are always experienced consciously, while emotions manifest consciously or subconsciously. Let me give you an example. 2 people go to a party. They notice that their stomach is clenching, their breathing is getting a little bit constricting, an emotion of discomfort. But one of the person is going to think, "Ooh, I'm feeling awkward. I don't know anybody here." While the other person thinks, "Ooh, I'm feeling so excited. I get to meet a lot of new people." See? Same emotion, 2 very different feelings. I have chosen the word emotion rather than feeling on purpose. Each person viewing our art is going to have a different life experience, and ergo, different feelings. You cannot control the outcome. Emotions are more visceral, and in order for your artwork to be uniquely strong, it should focus on giving a certain emotion. We can get so focused on improving our technique that we forget what to say and what to express. So do not just think how you want your painting to look like. Concentrate as well on what emotion it should portray. And on every painting session, keep asking yourself, am I portraying the emotion? Am I portraying the emotion? How do you achieve this? I have no idea. Actually, give me a call if you figure it out. But I have a tip that may help you in achieving it. It is very common that our work will appear filled with emotion to the viewers the more personal our work is. When you express or pick a very personal subject, you're gonna end up touching in some universal human emotion that resonates with everybody. It is a little bit contradictory that something very personal turns out to be something very universal, but it does work, and it's gonna help you ensure that your work has emotions. Okay, that's all for today. I will suggest that you print out all the documents that I have put on the description so that you can pin them in your wall. So every time you're working, you can check how are you doing in the 6 basic elements of your artwork. Next week, we are going to be talking about the 6 elements of consistency. Till then, keep working on your talent.